this is the YA question, and the question says a sector of a cycle of radius 14 centimeter suspend an angle of 72 degree at the center of the circle. So let's have a diagram of how the sector look like. Now this is the circle, this is the center, and it said radius 14 centimeter. So meaning this radius 14 centimeter, and said suspend an angle of 72 degree. See, this is the angle suspended 72 degree. So they said firstly we should find the length of an arc, and length of an arc that is talking about here. Now the length of an arc is calculated with what? Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. That is, the theta is the angle, which is 72 degree. Pi, we all know 22 over 7. The radius, which is what? 14 centimeter. So all we need to do is just to substitute. So the angle, which is the theta, is what? 72 degree over 360 times 2 over 1 times, let's bring it up properly, theta 72 over 360 times 2 over 1, pi is 22 over 7, radius is 14 centimeter over 1. So just to divide. Now if you check, 32 will go here 2 times, 32 here, this is 1, this is 0, this is 10. So 2 can still go here 1, 2 can still go here 5. Now what again? So it's just for us to multiply. 2 times this is 44. Now 44 times 14 over 5 times 7. 7, and let's cut it from here. 7 here is 1, 7 here is 2. So this is 44 times 8 times 2, 88, 5 times 1 is 5. So what does that mean? 88 divided by 5. So 5 here is 1, 5 here is 1, remainder 3. And 38 is how many? That is 7, that is 17, remainder 3, put point at 0. 5 in 30 is 6. And now the length of an arc, now the length of the arc of this sector is what? 17.6 centimeter. Now look at the second question, says find the perimeter of the sector. Now the perimeter of the sector is talking about all this angle, all this line, that is perimeter. So and perimeter is 2 radius plus arc, that is plus length of an arc. That is what perimeter of the sector is all about. Perimeter, remember, perimeter is talking about the periphery of the shape. So that is what, and that is the formula for it. The 2 radius and then the length of the arc. That is what perimeter of the sector actually means. So the 2 radius, which is 2 times 14, plus the arc, which is already 17.6 centimeter. This plus this times this is 28 plus 17.6. 28 plus 17, that is 45 already, 0.6 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of the arc. This is the length of the arc. And this is the perimeter of the sector. You know, the sector has to do with the 2 radius and then the length of the arc. And now the last one is area of the sector. So let me just manage that here. The area of the sector. The area of the sector. And what is the formula? That one is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Talking about the area now. Area. So the same thing. 72 is the angle over 360 times pi, 22 over 7 times radius 14 square. So 14 times 14. So I can say here 1, here is 2. Remember? Here will give us 1, here will give us 5. So indirectly we have what? 22 times 2. That is 44. Now 44 times 14. We check 44 times 14. This is 6, 16, 17. This is 4, this is 4. 6, 1, 6. Can you see? 616 divided by what? 5 times 1, which is 5. And by the time we divide it, 5 here is 1, here is 1, remainder 1, 2, remainder 1, 3. So this is 123 points, remainder 1 adds a good point. What's that? And this one is centimeter square because we're talking about the area. We're talking about the area of the sector now. Remember, length of the arc, this is it. Perimeter of the sector, this is it, which is the 2 radius plus the length of the arc. And then the area, which has to do with 2/360 times pi r square. So this is the answer for length of the arc, and this is the perimeter of the sector, and this is the area of the sector. Once all you need to do is just for you to understand how all these things are actually, at least is to know how we drive at all these things, especially knowing the formula to use, and that will be fine. Thank you.